My channel. Today we have a new trigonometric identities in the form of exponential form. How we can calculate their values. 81 exponent of sin square x plus 81 cos square x is equal to 30. How we can calculate the value of x is unknown. Confusing question for the students. Today very tricky. So first of all, we are using the identities of the trigonometric identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. And here is x is used, we can write sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. We are find the value of, and here we substitute the value of cos square x, we change here sin, so cos square x is equal to 1 minus sin square x. Now we replace this result cos square x in the place of cos square x 1 minus sin square x. 81 sin square x plus 81 1 minus sin square x is equal to 30. Now we are using the elimination of exponent property. So according to this property we can write m plus n is equal to a exponent of m dot a exponent of n. Now we change this sin square x plus 81 exponent of 1 and dot 81 minus sin square x is equal to 30. Now here is sin power is negative, we change according to this property of the negative power of exponent. We can change 1 divided by a exponent of m. According to this property we can change this result. 81 sin square x plus 81 divided by sin square x and 81 power of sin square x, this will be changed into positive according to this property is equal to 30. Now we take the supposition, we are using substitution method. If we take, let's suppose that 81 sin square x is equal to t. So now we replace this result, here is t plus 81 divided by t is equal to 30. Or we can say that we are taking LCM or multiplying both sides by t. So this will be cancelled. We get t square plus 81 minus 30t is equal to 0. Now we arrange according to the quadratic equation form. T square minus 30t plus 81 is equal to 0. Now we are making pairs factorization method, completing square method and using quadratic formula, but here we are using the factorization method. The middle term we are trying to make two factors of 30, we get in their multiplication is also we get 81. So minus 3 and minus 27 we get minus 30 and both multiply, so we get the answer is 81. So similarly now we are making their factorization in here. T square minus 3t minus 27t plus 81 is equal to 0. We try to make the first, second, we are the first couples, and the second, third and fourth is the second factors, couples. Now we are taking common here from the first, we get t minus 3 and 27 here minus 3 is equal to 0. These two pairs must be same, otherwise our question is wrong. So now it means that here we take one of the common pair, t minus 3 is taking 1 times, and here t minus 27 is also multiplied to each other in here. It means that t minus 3 is equal to 0 and t minus 27 is also equal to 0. So we transfer this to the right side, and similarly we also change this is to the right side. We get t is equal to 3 and t is equal to 27. But we have already taken supposition, let this one we substitute in the place of t these two results, and here the value of when t is equal to 3, then according to the supposition we replace, and here is equal to 3. Now we try to make the bases, and here is 3 and we are trying to make 81. We can write 3 exponent of 4. We get 81 sin square x is equal to 3. Now according to the double exponent rule, we can multiply 3, 4 sin square x is equal to 3. Here is power is 1. Bases are same. Now we are comparing. We compare their exponents. Power. Now dividing both sides by 4. This will be cancelled. Sin square x is equal to 1 by 2. But we are trying to find the value of x is, and here is unknown. So now, and also here we are taking square root on both sides first. Taking square root plus minus 1 by 2 square root. So this will be equal to, this will be 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. So we get in here plus minus 1 by 2. So sin x is equal to plus minus 1 by 2, but we are trying to find the value of x. So sin inverse plus minus 1 by 2. So we get this result is 30. If 30 degree, if we calculate sin, both our result is 30, sin positive sign is 30. So what will happen? The same process we are doing in here. We can write in here 3 exponent of 3 and 3 exponent of 3. Now bases are same again. So we are comparing their exponent. 4 sin square x is equal to 3. Dividing both sides by 4. So both are cancelled. This one sin square x is equal to 3 by 4. Now we are taking square root on both sides. Taking square root on both sides. 3 divided by 4 square root. So plus minus 3 square root divided by 2. So this will be cancelled. Sin x is equal to plus minus 3 under the root divided by 2. Now we are required the value of x. So sin inverse plus minus 3 under the root divided by 2. So this result is, if we check in the table of the trigonometric. Now we want to verify one of the degree x is equal to 30 degree and the second is 60 degree. If we want to verify it, for example, we take the value of 60 degree. How we can check this result? Check 81 sin square x plus 81 cos square x is equal to, this is the question mark, is equal to 30. Now we replace the value of x is 30, 60 degree. 60 degree plus 81 and cos 60 degree is equal to question mark is 30. Now we can write this one 81 sin 60 degree whole square. We can write this square plus 81 cos 60 degree whole square is equal to question mark is 30 degree. Sin 60 we can know this result. Sin 60 is 3 under the root by 2 whole square. Similarly, and here cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2 whole square is question mark is 30 degree. Now if we take the square of this one 81, so we get 3 divided by 4 plus 81 and here is 1 by 4 is question mark is 30. Now we can try to make, and here the base 3 we can write 3 exponent of 4. We get 81 3 by 4 plus, and here is the same 3 exponent of 4 1 by 4 is question mark is 30. So this is cancelled, this is also cancelled. We get 3 exponent of 3 and 3 exponent of 1 is equal to 30. This is a question mark. We get 27 plus 3 is equal to 30 degree. So 30 is equal to 30 degree. So it means that our answer is correct. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share this video more and more.